Well, surprise, surprise. Yep. I didn't stop, lying to you tonight, I didn't stop reacting to more man videos, no. That doesn't like what? Like, start video already? Alright. Hey man, what next? No. Anyway, we got no classic one this one. Kid, post, fire alarm to snip test. Season 1, Season 1, perfect money. Hey, well, I'll maybe Mikey boy, gonna get trouble. Oh, make the Mikey. Yep. I like that.
Check out what I bought for our trip to Legoland this week. Yeah, that's so cool.
Cool.
How'd you even convince your mom to go? I thought you were grounded. I just told her I would have failed any test this month. But what she doesn't know is I don't have any tests.
Yeah.
I am such a genius. Oh, you at least to wash your hand first.
Yeah.
You scared of G. Yo, watch out. You almost pulled the fire alarm.
Morning, boys.
Good morning. What you got there, Mr. Wilson?
What, you mean this? This is a surprise.
Ooh, a surprise.
Not at all. You gotta be kidding me. He's gonna give us a pop quiz. Yeah, probably. I gotta find some way to get out of it. Come on, the reading last time was easy. It was? Yeah, didn't you do it? And miss out on my huge Minecraft tournament? No way. I gotta get out of this test somehow. Here we go again. I can pretend I'm sick. You already did that like 5 times and it never works.
Yeah.
True. Maybe I could pretend like I broke my leg by slipping in this hallway. Whoa. Okay. Well, it's pretty hard to pretend that you broke a bone. Jay, when you broke your arm, was it all hunky-dory? Yeah, dude. That won't work. Besides, they're installing cameras now, so it'll be obvious she's faking it.
Well, shit, just rude.
Hey, good morning.
So when do you think you'll have it work?
I'm having a problem with the server. They're not connecting. Hopefully by tomorrow.
Great. Thank you so much. Today's my lucky day.
Oh my god.
I have to tell you every single time. Running away from problems just makes them worse.
Exactly.
Thanks, Eric. I've been running away from my problems since 1st grade. Look where it's gotten me. Where? Yeah, you've been suspended at least 5 times. You have been grounded every single summer.
Oh shit.
And what's your GPA again? I don't want to talk about that. But I'm still the coolest kid in school. Yeah, right.
Damn.
I'm running out of time, alright? Come on, Mikey. Face it. There's nothing you can do at this point. Don't underestimate me, alright? Look, I'll figure something out.
Well, that's not good.
Turn these over just yet. Hey, Mikey, no snacks in class. Put that away, please. Hey, you're supposed to use your cracker, not your finger. All right, everybody, what I have for you here is going to just have to wait 1 second. Keep them down, please. I'll be right with you.
Did you hear what happened at Chesterfield High?
No.
Some punk pulled the fire alarm.
No.
They had to evacuate the whole school.
No. What the? What? Oh no. Oh no.
They hadn't figured out who it was.
I got it. Got what? I'm gonna pour the fire alarm.
No. No, I'm gonna put it. I'm gonna put a fire alarm.
Until tomorrow.
Damn.
Do you think it's going a little too far, Mikey? What if they test for fingerprints? Then I'll pull it with my shirt. That way there's no fingerprints. I'm pretty sure, Mikey, that pulling a fire alarm is an actual crime. There could be very serious consequences of that if I got caught, which will never happen. I explain it to you every single time. Your plans never work. Jinx. No, I said it, Fox. I said it. Of course they do. I'll prove it. Mr. Wilson, can I use the bathroom real quick, please?
Yeah, okay, Mikey. Just hurry back.
Oh my god. Oh, yeah. No. Bathroom. Wait.
Excuse me. Thank you.
Oh, hey, wow. The fire alarm is not even that far.
Young man, you need help with something?
What? Oh
No,
shit.
just go into the bathroom.
Yeah. Go to the bathroom.
Wrong direction. Bathroom is that way.
Oh, right.
And something from my locker.
Okay, well, when you do go, be very careful of the wet floor, okay?
Yes, sir.
One of the toilets overflowed.
Yo. Come on, Mikey, don't do this, man. Wow, I did not understand that like free. Come on, Mikey, don't do this, man. You don't understand. What? Well, sit out, quick.
Let's go. Everybody just remain calm. Remember what we practiced during the fire drill, okay? All the other students and teachers evacuated on the west side. Hopefully we'll get an update soon.
What's up, Vince? Well, aren't you glad I got us out of that pop quiz? Can't believe you actually did that. Oh, and to add on, I also didn't get caught. Yeah, not yet. We'll see about that.
Mikey, there you are.
What? Oh, shit.
I was just inside looking for you. How long have you been out here?
Well, I've been here since we evacuated. You didn't notice?
No. Anyway,
Well, that I just
I
noticed.
just spoke with Principal Danvers. It sounds like we're going to be out here for a little while longer.
Well, damn it.
I was looking forward to that pop quiz.
Pop quiz?
Mr.
Okay,
Wilson? Can I speak to you for a moment?
Yes, of course, Principal Danvers.
Well, shit.
What do you think I'm talking
What,
about?
rude?
The better question is, what rides are we going on when we get to Legoland, baby? See, I was thinking about that. Well, there's more to life than just skipping tests and going to amusement parks. No, there isn't. Mikey, he's right. You can't just expect to always get away without being caught. As my dad always says, running away from problems just makes them worse. Well, my dad says that the moon is made of cheese. So what's your point? His point is to stop pulling more pranks, or else you won't be able to come to Legoland with us.
Yeah.
Yeah, your mom might even take away your talent again. You know what? Instead of being grateful, you guys are making me feel bad for what I did.
All right, well, we're just waiting for the fire department to finish their rounds and make sure that everybody's safe.
The fire department's here?
Yeah, they respond to every fire alarm.
Right.
Well,
Wilson, this is Captain Stoll. He's going to be asking everybody some questions today.
Oh, boy. What? I love questions.
Looks like it was a false alarm. It's not the first time this has happened today, so I need to gather some more info. What were you and your class doing right before the alarm went off?
well, I had just handed everybody some paperwork. A teacher came in, told me about what happened at Chesterfield, and then that's about all I can remember.
Wow.
Thank you very much, Mr. Wilson.
Of course.
Thank you.
Hey, you know what? I actually did give Mikey the key to the bathroom.
Oh, shit.
Mikey, did you see anything?
No, actually, you know, I heard someone running down the hall before the fire alarm went off, but that's all I remember.
All right.
Well, that kind of
Well,
sucks.
Stoll, could you show us what you found so far?
Of course. Follow me.
Okay, okay.
Me? Why?
Because you said you were the last one in the hall, right? So maybe you could provide some insight to us.
Yeah, Mikey.
Okay, none of that. I'll be right back.
Sean. Have you left?
Yes. I actually was able to get the camera started right when the
Nah.
fire alarm went off.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, I thought I was going to need
Oh,
more time, but I figured it
that
out.
is not good.
Here
that-
we go. It looks like the camera started right after everyone started walking away.
Oh, okay, that. Mikey.
Phew. Luckily, everyone's okay.
Uh-huh.
Think, what else was happening in the hallway when you were here?
Yeah, huh?
Let me retrace my steps. So, I left Mr. Wilson's classroom. Then I went to the bathroom.
Yes.
Does anybody know what happened yet?
Oh.
Mikey's explaining what was happening. He went to the bathroom.
That's odd. I was in there fixing the toilet when the alarm went off. I didn't see you.
Well, that's because I ran into the girls' room.
Ew.
Well, you see, George told me that the toilets were overflowing, so I decided to use the girls' restroom.
That's true. I did tell him.
See?
the key that you took was for the boys' bathroom.
Nah.
Principal Danvers?
Yes, I am.
I got the fingerprinting kit. Now we can see who the suspect really is.
Wonderful. It's right here.
Thank you.
Mikey, you were saying?
What? What was the thing?
Mikey, if you had a key to the boys' restroom, how did you get into the girls' restroom?
Yeah, Mikey.
You see, there was a girl, and she came out of the restroom, so I decided to sneak inside.
Wow, what a pervert.
Wrong.
I don't know. That all sounds a little odd.
It is.
If you are covering up for someone else, you, young man, are in big, big trouble.
Nah.
I'm telling you everything I know. I swear.
Principal,
Yes.
we didn't find any prints, but we did notice something odd.
What?
Can you come over and take a look?
Oh no, that's not good.
It looks like cheese dip.
Cheese dip.
See? Nip. Oh.
Mikey,
Oh.
eating cheese in my classroom.
No.
There you were.
See, look, my hands are clean.
That's because you just rubbed it all over your shirt.
Yeah, smart ass.
Why there isn't any prints? He used his shirt to pull the alarm.
Oh, Mikey, how could you do that, especially after all that we've been through?
Please, just don't tell my mom. I didn't think all this was gonna happen.
Yeah,
I just pulled it
the
because
police
I
are
wanted to
there.
do the pop quiz and just wanted to go to Legoland with my friends.
Pop quiz?
Yeah.
No, Mikey, no, I just wanted to play a game with you all.
Nah.
A game?
Are
Sure,
you
you
fucking high?
Mikey, you're coming to my office right now.
No,
Well.
please, I'm sorry.
Actually, I have to stop you there, Principal.
Thank
What?
you, officer. Thank you. You don't know how much I appreciate that.
Mikey's actually gonna come with us.
Oh, what? What?
It's a serious crime.
Wait, what the? What?
A crime?
Yes, it is. I'm gonna take you downtown. Go.
And what it do? Damn.
No, 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 no. No.
Well,
no,
shit.
Please.
Oh, don't worry about it. It's gonna be all right.
No. Don't take me. Let me go. What's going on? What are you doing with Mikey?
Do it now.
Under arrest for pulling the fire alarm.
Hurry. Mikey? Mom! I can't explain.
I was in the neighborhood and I heard that the alarm went off.
Man, seems like your son is the one who pulled it.
What?
Yep, surprise,
Don't take away my
surprise.
tablet. And don't grab me. I just want to go to Legoland with my friends.
That is what you're most worried about. You should be worried about going to juvie. I'll meet you at the station.
Yes, ma'am.
Well, shit.
Please, Mom, no. I'm not going. Let me go. Let me go. No. Jay, Derek, help. All I can say is, running from your problems just makes them worse.
Uh-huh.
I just printed off your exams. Booyah!
Wow, that one, is no one enough the video. Look, guys, make a lesson of this video and do not pull fire alarm. Yes, no. You never know if it's be a test. You never know that the final coming up. No, let's not do this. And then not put it too. And then what in jail. I did not know that. I did not know that. But wow. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, I will see you more next time. Goodbye. And remember, put a fire alarm. Right? Yes, no.